Hello everyone. How are you doing? Today we are going to do the presentation. Our topics for today are my background, my holiday and my everyday activities. Please welcome to the first presenter is Miss Kungsochiata. Please clap for her.
Hello everyone. I'm Kungsochiata and I'm from Campo Province. I'm 19 years old and I'm single. I have one sister and two brothers. I study accounting at Sreyoun University. I want to be an accountant in my future because it's a good job. I like working in office and I can earn some money also. I study English because it's an international language. I can communicate with other people and it's easy to find a good job. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Sochiata. Please welcome to the second presenter Mr. Tangbora. Please clap for him. First of all I would like to say good morning teacher and good morning everyone. Today I'm very happy to do the presentation. My topic is about my holiday. On holiday I go to my homeland in Takeo Province. It's on National Road 2. I travel 76 kilometers from Phnom Penh to Takeo Province. When I arrive my home, I meet my family, my parents, brothers, sisters and some friends. We have a party together. We eat delicious food and we drink Coca-Cola and orange juice. Then I come back to Phnom Penh. My holiday is wonderful and I like it. That's all about my presentation. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Bora. Please welcome to the last presenter is Miss Tangmarani. Please clap for her.
First of all I'd like to say good afternoon teacher and everyone. My name's Tangmarani and I'm from Takeo Province. I'm 18 years old and I study English at Sreyoun organization. Today I'm very glad to do the presentation and my topic is about my everyday activities. I get up at 5 o'clock every morning. After I get up, I clean my house, I do exercise, I cook breakfast and I have a shower. I have breakfast at 6:30 and I go to school at 7 o'clock. I leave school at 11 o'clock and I have lunch at 12 o'clock. I have rice, pork, fish and soup for lunch and then I relax for 15 minutes. I have dinner at 6 o'clock and I have rice, chicken, fruit and dessert. I do homework at 7 o'clock and I go to bed at 10 o'clock. In my free time, I like watching TV, reading books, and playing football. That's all about my presentation. Thank you.
The presentation comes to the end. Thank you, teacher, presenters and all participants. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Sreyoun in order to get more videos. Thank you.